Hi, my name is Gail Lee, and this is my presentation for Art 337. In this project, we were to go to the Adams County, Iowa webpage and redesign it. Let's look at their webpage, see what they have. On their webpage on the left side, they have a directory with all the phone numbers associated with the county. They have other links here that you can go into and get information for things that are in the county. In the middle, they put a picture of the courthouse with the courthouse address and then information about the courthouse itself. So there's a lot of information on this homepage. On the right-hand side is the courthouse hours and other information that they put into this page. So our project was for us to do three things. The first one we were to do was go to the voters page and set up a place that you could look up your precinct and location of where you were to vote. The second one is we were to go into the driver's page and set up a place a person could make an appointment to take their driver's test. And the third thing is to make a page that has photos so they could see the photos of the county historical information. So let's go into my website and you can see what I did. Here's my homepage. Welcome to Adams County, Iowa. And we have a place where we could click and get pulled on menus to go. Let's look at the homepage. I put a brighter picture of the courthouse. It has clouds and a nicer picture. It has news section, find information. It has a little blurb about the county, and then the holiday closings are listed here. In the bottom, I put a footer, the area that has the courthouse address and the privacy policy of the website. So let's look at community. That has a place here where we can look voting information and the Department of Motor Vehicle. And then I put job opportunities, county fair, and service opportunities. So let's look at how you find your precinct. That was our first project we had to do. So find your precinct. Right in the middle is the voting information and find my voting location and precinct. The person would put their zip code in, their home address, and click continue. And then down at the bottom, it would fill in the place here of where the precinct number, their name of the place, and address where they would vote. On the right side is a picture of the map of Adams County, and when you click here, you could get directions of your specific polling place. On the left side, I put information about voters registration. So if someone wanted to register to vote, it tells them what they have to do to qualify, tells them what they cannot vote if they have any of these felons or incompetent type things. But if they meet those criteria at the top, they can click to register, and they'd be able to vote. Let's go to community again, and let's look at the driver's license information. So if we click on the driver's license information, we've got the Adams County DMV. That's located in the treasurer's office. And the treasurer's hours, driver's license, written test. And the drive test is only on Tuesday mornings by appointment. So the person would click here to make an appointment. On the left side, it puts some other links that they could go into if they wanted to renew or replace, change of name, address, and things like that, get an identification card. Those are all things that could be done. Our third project was to go into the courthouse here. And so if I go into the photo gallery, that takes us place where I put some photos. So we have a photo of the Pioneer Store, and down here 4 photos. So if you were to click on these photos, then those photos will come up in the middle of the page, and you can see some nice photos. So this is the large screen, computer screen. If we actually want to go and look at the mobile, here's the mobile page I created. So the mobile page then lays out a little differently since you're in a smaller view, and it has some of the same information that was on the other pages. So we could click here on the hamburger tag, and you see I've got community. We click there. We've got find my precinct again, and so we've got the precinct, entering in those things. Continue, you get the name and a voting map, get the directions. You can go to the driver's license bureau, place. So you can do the same thing, get the location, and make an appointment for your test. The last thing we can go into is about the county, and you can look at the historical photo gallery and see the photos. This time I just put all the photos on the page so they wouldn't have to click the link anywhere. So this is my revised website. It takes you to different places that you can go to and see. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for watching.